In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zebronics Motherboard drivers. So the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to their official website, and then here you want to hover over support up top, and you want to click on driver downloads. So in here, you'll be able to see all the available drivers for download, and you simply want to search for your specific motherboard model. So for example, if I go to search, and if I search for H180 or 81, there we go. As you can see, here there's a bunch of different drivers I can download. So for the Zeb H81 here, I can go ahead and download the audio, the LAN, the USB, the VGA, the chipset, etc. So we can just go ahead and download all of these by clicking download next to them, and they're going to be downloaded onto your computer just like that. So just download them all. I'm not going to download all of them right now, but you get the point. It's actually very simple, and then you simply have to wait for this to actually finish downloading. And whenever you've done that, whenever you wait and it's going to download everything, you'll be able to see that they're now going to be inside your downloads folder. So over here, as you can see, I have 2 downloaded already. All you have to do after you've done that, let me actually cancel this download really quickly so we don't have to wait. There we go. All you have to do after you've done that is just actually extract these. So you have to hover over these 2, right click, and then do extract all. And then this will basically extract, just allow it to do so. There we go. And it's going to basically extract the folder, extract the other ones as well by right click, extract all, extract. There we go. And then when you've done that, inside those folders, you'll be able to find the setup files. So for example, if I go to this one, I can go inside here, and then you can see the setup.exe. There we go. As you can see, that's the one you want to run, and this will install the driver. And if I go into the LAN one, for example, in here, I will have this. As you can see, there's yet another file in here. So you have to basically select whichever is relevant for you. So as you can see here, there's 2 of them, and you can go ahead and open this up, and they do have the installers in here as well, and the setups. Okay, so that's basically how you can download them and then install them onto your computer. Just make sure you do install all of these over here. So for example, for the H81, you'll be able to download all of these here, and this will basically get you all the drivers. Now, if you're missing a driver, later on, you can always come back and then just download the missing ones onto your computer, install them, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.